Let's have a conversation together now. Please answer my questions. How much time do you spend in nature? Do you eat mushrooms? How do you like them prepared? What kind of goods can you buy at a stationery store? When was the last time you played tennis? Do you eat raw fish? Does your family support your decisions? What is the definition of home? What do people usually store in a cellar? Can you say a synonym, the same word, for the word error? Are you able to admit when you are not right? And now create sentences or questions from following words. Pretty, office, delivery, agree, surgery. And now write down following sentences and then read them out loud. The students were very bad. They often answered us back, so we started using new methods. We got the agreement and support of the parents and introduced a bit of an army regime. Everything was strict, but fair. We also opened a new theater club where the pupils were able to relax.